Welcome to Fund to Money web series on tax filing. We are discussing various aspects people need to keep in mind while filing taxes. Now, in this particular segment, we're going to talk about the kind of treatment and the kind of things that you need to do while filing your tax return if you made some money selling a hybrid mutual fund. Now, to help us, there is a renowned tax expert, Mr. Swami Saran, with us, and he's going to give us insights on this particular topic. Now, Swami, before talking about the tax, what people need to do, how is a hybrid mutual fund seen by tax authorities? I mean, is it an equity product or it's a debt product? How is it seen?
Then actually it depends on the constitution of the fund.
Okay.
And if equity constitutes 65% or more than the mutual fund, then it is termed as a equity mutual fund. Otherwise, if it is less than 65%, it is considered as a debt mutual fund.
So that popular term of balanced funds, and a lot of people say that our balanced fund, a lot of fund houses, our balanced fund is 65% or more. So anybody who's investing money, all mutual funds which are investing money which is 65% or more, they'll be treated as equity mutual funds, and anybody who's lesser than 65% will be debt mutual funds.
Right.
So we in this as part of this web series, we have been doing giving other bits of information about treatment of equity mutual funds, the money that you made last year from equity mutual funds, and debt mutual funds. So anybody who's watching this particular segment can actually go on to those segments and follow and figure out how their particular hybrid fund sales will get the treatment that's required while filing taxes. So thank you so much, Swami. I'm sure people found this information useful. They can go to all the leading social media platforms for this information and more, and take the help so that they can ask smart and intelligent questions to their tax advisors, and also make sure that they're filing their returns properly. And we are also there on our own website, www.fundtomoney.com.